Endi siz bilan takrorlash bo'limini ko'rib o'tamiz. Birinchi mashq. Fill in was, wasn't, were, weren't. Was, wasn't yoki were, weren't bilan to'ldiring. The children were at the beach yesterday. Bolalar kecha sohilda edilar. Ben wasn't at the park, he was at home. Ben parkda emasdi, u uyda edi. Were the students at school? Talabalar maktabdamidi, o'quvchilar maktabdamidi. Sarah and Mike weren't at a restaurant, they were at a cafe. Sarah va Mike restoranda emas edilar, ular kafeda edilar. Was Betty at the library? Betty kutubxonadamidi. All the doctors at the hospital were very busy. Bu yerda gapning egasi all the doctors bo'lganligi uchun were'ni qo'yamiz. Ben was at the clothes shop. He was at the record shop. Ben kiyimlar do'konida emas edi. U audioyozuv do'konida edi. Ikkinchi mashq. Fill in the gaps with for since already yet just never ever. Bo'sh joylarni for since already yet just never yoki ever bilan to'ldiring. I have already finished my homework but Mark is still doing his. Men allaqachon uyga vazifamni tugatdim, ammo Mark haliyam vazifasini qilyapti. Jane hasn't been to the zoo yet. Jane hali zooparkda bo'lgani yo'q. Demak, gapning oxirida yet keladi va bu yerda inkor gap berilgan. We haven't seen Julie since March. Biz Julie'ni martdan beri ko'rganimiz yo'q. We have known each other for years. Biz bir-birovimizni yillardan buyon bilamiz. I have just taken the cake out of the oven. It is still hot. Men hozirgina tortni duxovkadan oldim. U haliyam issiq. Demak, ko'makchi fe'l va mustaqil fe'lning o'rtasida already va yet already va just kelishi mumkin. U haliyam issiq degandan kelib chiqib justni qo'yamiz. He has already been to Paris twice this year. U bu yili Parijda allaqachon 2 marta bo'ldi. I have never tasted Chinese food, but I want to. Men hech qachon Xitoycha taomni tatib ko'rmaganman, ammo xohlardim. Have you ever tried to climb a tree? Siz biror marta daraxtga chiqishga uringanmisiz? I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. Men kechadan buyon hech narsa yeganim yo'q. Demak, perfect qo'llanilgan va undan keyin o'tgan zamon ko'rsatkichi, demak since ni qo'llaymiz. Has Peter returned the books to the library yet? Peter kutubxonaga kitoblarni qaytardimi? Dave has been ill for 3 days. Dave 3 kundan beri kasal. We haven't got our exam results yet. Biz hali imtihon natijalarimizni olganimiz yo'q. 3-mashq. Put the verbs in brackets into the past simple. Qavsning ichidagi fe'llarni o'tgan oddiy zamonda qo'ying. Yesterday I went to the circus. I had a great time. Kecha men sirkka bordim. Men juda yaxshi o'tkazdim vaqtimni. I watched the clowns and saw the animals perform their tricks. Men masxarabozlarni ko'rdim va hayvonlarni o'zlarini tryuklarni bajarganlarini ko'rdim. I bought an ice cream and I also ate a lot of popcorn. Men muzqaymoq sotib oldim va shuningdek ko'p popcorn yedim. My favorite part was when the acrobats did their act. Mening sevimli qismim qachonki akrobatlar o'zlarini harakatlarini bajarganlarida bo'ldi. They were amazing. Ular hayratlanarli edi. After the show, I caught a bus home. Showdan keyin men uyga avtobusga chiqdim. I felt very tired, but I really enjoyed my visit. Men juda charchagan his qildim, lekin men haqiqatan ham tashrif buyurganimdan zavqlandim. 4-mashq. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct tense. Qavsning ichidagi fe'llarni to'g'ri zamonga qo'ying. Please be quiet. We are trying to get some sleep. Iltimos tinchlaning, biz harakat qilyapmiz uxlashga. They had bacon and eggs for breakfast yesterday morning. Ular kecha ertalab nonushtaga cho'chqa go'shti va tuxumlar yeyishdi. Demak, kecha ertalab bo'lganligi uchun o'tgan zamonda qo'llaymiz. Jack plays squash every Thursday afternoon. Jack har payshanba tushdan so'ng squash o'ynaydi. Demak, every bilan kelgan payt ravishi present simple ni talab qiladi. How long have you known the Jeffersons since 1992? Qanchalik uzoq vaqtdan beri siz Jeffersonlarni bilasiz? 1992-yildan beri. Demak, how long bilan present perfect ni ishlatamiz. At present, George is helping his mother with the housework. Hozirda George onasiga uy ishlariga yordam beryapti. Demak, at present bilan present continuous ni qo'llaymiz. When did Jack ask you to marry him? 2 months ago. Jack sizdan qachon turmush qurishni so'radi? 2 oy oldin. Demak, when bilan past simple ishlatiladi. I'm sure Janet will help you clean up this mess later. Ishonchim komilki, keyinroq Janet sizga yordam beradi tartibsizlikni tozalashga. I'm sure iborasi bilan kelasi zamon ishlatiladi. Don't touch the wall, I have just painted it. Devorga tegmang, men hozirgina uni bo'yadim. Demak, just bilan present perfect ishlatiladi. Claire didn't come to my party last night. Claire kecha mening bazmimga kelmadi. Demak, last night bilan o'tgan zamonni qo'llaymiz. My brother always brings me a nice present on my birthday. Mening akam har doim tug'ilgan kunimga ajoyib sovg'a olib keladi. Demak, always bilan present simple ni ishlatamiz. Do you want to listen to some music? Biroz musiqa tinglashni xohlaysizmi? Demak, want ing olmaydi va perfect ning ko'rsatkichlari bo'lmaganligi uchun present simple ni qo'lladik. I'm afraid Susan will not be here for your engagement party. Qo'rqamanki, Susan sizning unashtiruv bazmingizda bo'lmaydi. Demak, I'm afraid iborasi bilan kelasi zamonni qo'llaymiz. Has David repaired the car yet? David mashinani tuzatdimi hali? Demak, yet bilan present perfect qo'llaniladi. John Miller has published 3 books so far. John Miller hozirgacha 3 ta kitob nashr qildi. Demak, so far bilan present perfect ishlatiladi. Drink your milk or I will not take you to the zoo. Sutingizni iching yoki men sizni hayvonot bog'iga olib bormayman. Demak, tahdid bo'lganligi uchun kelasi oddiy zamonni qo'lladik. 5-mashq. Put the verbs in brackets into the future simple or the be going to form. Qavsning ichidagi fe'llarni will kelasi oddiy zamon yoki going to bilan qo'llang. My car is old. I am going to look for a new one next month. Mening mashinam eski, men keyingi oy yangisini qidirmoqchiman. It's raining outside. Take an umbrella or you will get wet. Ko'chada yomg'ir yog'yapti. Soyabon oling yoki siz ho'l bo'lasiz. Demak, bu yerda ogohlantirish bo'lganligi uchun will ni qo'llaymiz. The buses are not running tomorrow. Peter is going to walk to work. Avtobuslar ertaga yurmaydi. Peter ishga piyoda bormoqchi. Demak, avtobuslar yurmasligini biladi va reja qilgan. I am going to pay for the drinks this time. It's my turn. Men bu safar ichimliklarga to'lamoqchiman. Bu mening navbatim. I'm sure John will not miss tonight's match on TV. Ishonchim komilki, John o'tkazib yubormaydi kechqurungi matchni televizorda. I'm sure iborasi bilan will qo'llaniladi. The dog is dirty. I know I'm going to wash him in a few minutes. It iflos. Men bilaman. Men uni bir necha daqiqada yuvmoqchiman. Demak, men bilaman, reja qilganman ma'nosida. It's Sarah's birthday tomorrow. Her husband will probably cook something special for her. Ertaga Sarahning tug'ilgan kuni. Uning eri ehtimol nimadir maxsus u uchun pishiradi. Demak, probably bilan will ishlatiladi. Mary is going to give a party next week. She has already invited most of her friends. Mary keyingi hafta bazm qilmoqchi. U ko'plab do'stlarini allaqachon taklif qilgan. Birinchi mashq. Look at the picture and put the verbs in brackets into the present continuous, present perfect, the be going to form. Rasmlarga qarang va qavsning ichidagi fe'llarni hozirgi davom zamon, hozirgi tugallangan yoki to be going to bilan to'g'ri shaklda qo'llang. The children are feeding the ducks. Bolalar o'rdaklarni ovqatlantirishyapti. Father has bought some ice cream. Ota biroz muzqaymoq sotib olgan. Demak, sotib olib bo'lganligi tufayli bu yerda present perfectni qo'lladik. Mother is sitting on a bench. Ona skameykada o'tiribdi. Grandfather is eating a sandwich. Bobo sandwich yeyapti. Grandmother is watching the children. Buvi bolalarni kuzatyapti. The cat is going to climb the tree. Mushuk daraxtga chiqmoqchi. Mana bu yerda mushuk hali chiqmaganligi uchun biz uni going to bilan qo'lladik. A duck is coming out of the lake. O'rdak ko'ldan chiqyapti. Bu yerda siz chiqqanini nazarda olib has come out of the lake deb ham tuzishingiz mumkin. A bird is singing in the tree. Qush daraxtda kuylayapti. 7-chi mashq. Underline the correct word. To'g'ri so'zni tagga chizing. Hurry up, our bus leaves in an hour. Shoshiling, bizning avtobusimiz 1 soat ichida jo'naydi. In this picture, Jerry is sitting between Alex and Ted. Bu rasmda Jerry, Alex va Tedning o'rtasida o'tiribdi. Bu yerda 2 kishi bo'lganligi uchun emangni belgilay olmaymiz. The postman is at the door. He has got some letters for us. Pochtalyon eshikda, unda bizga biroz xatlar bor. Dad goes to work by car every morning. Dadam ishga har kuni mashinada boradi. Transport vositasida borish har doim by bilan beriladi. I am meeting Peter for coffee on Tuesday afternoon. Men seshanba kuni tushdan so'ng kofe ichish uchun Peter bilan uchrashyapman. Demak, hafta kunlaridan oldin on ishlatiladi. The flowers are in the vase. Gullar vazaning ichida. Be careful as you walk across the street. Ko'chani kesib o'tayotganingizda ehtiyot bo'ling. Susie goes to school on foot every day. Susie har kuni maktabga piyoda boradi. Grandpa always wakes up at dawn. Bobom har kuni tong yotarda turadi. The train is going through the tunnel now. Poyezd hozir tunnel orqali o'tyapti. The cat is sitting in front of the fireplace. Mushuk kaminning oldida o'tiribdi. It's better to stay at home on a rainy night. Yaxshisi uyda qolgan ma'qul yomg'irli tunda. 8-chi mashq. Choose the correct answer. To'g'ri javobni tanlang. We had a test in our history lesson yesterday. Kecha biz tarix darsida test bo'ldi. Demak, yesterday bo'lganligi uchun o'tgan zamonni qo'lladik. Demak, had. Philip hasn't woken up yet. Philip hali turgani yo'q. Yet bilan present perfect ishlatiladi va yet so'roq va inkor gaplarida ishlatilishini nazarda tutib, inkor shaklini tanlaymiz. I saw your brother last week. Men o'tgan hafta sizning akangizni ko'rdim. Demak, last week bo'lganligi uchun o'tgan zamon soni qo'lladik. It's hot. I will open the window. Bu yer issiq va men derazani ochaman. Demak, suhbat paytida qilingan qaror bo'lganligi uchun willni qo'llaymiz. Peter and Jenny are going on holiday next week. Peter va Jenny keyingi hafta ta'tilga chiqishyapti. Demak, next week kelasi hafta vaqt ko'rsatkichi bilan kelasi zamon qo'llaniladi. Present continuous esa shaxsiy qarorni ifodalaydi. I live in a house in the country. Men qishloqda hovlida yashayman. Tina has dusted the furniture. Now everything is clean. Tina mebellarni changini artdi. Hozir hamma narsa toza. Demak, hozir hamma narsa toza. Bu hozirga tegishli natija bo'lganligi uchun present perfectni qo'lladik. The hot air balloon is flying over the village. Havo shari qishloqning ustidan uchyapti. I hope you will send me a copy of the photo. Umid qilamanki, siz menga rasmning nusxasini jo'natasiz. Demak, I hope iborasi bilan will ishlatiladi. The Prime Minister has opened 3 new hospitals so far. Bosh vazir hozirgacha 3 ta yangi kasalxonani ochdi. Demak, so far payt ravishi bilan present perfect qo'llaniladi. 9-mashq. Correct the mistakes. Xatolarni tuzating. I have lived here since 10 years. Men bu yerda 10 yildan buyon yashayman. Demak, 10 yil bu harakat davom etgan davr. Demak, bu holatda since emas for ishlatiladi. There isn't somebody in the garden. Bog'da hech kim yo'q. Demak, inkor gaplarda some va uning derivativlari ishlatilmaydi. Shuning uchun anybodyni qo'llaymiz. Bu gapni tuzatishni yana bitta yo'li bu notni urib qo'ysa, notni tushirib qoldirsa ham gap to'g'ri bo'ladi. There is somebody in the garden ham to'g'ri hisoblanadi. We are going to the party tonight. Biz kechqurun bazmga boryapmiz. Demak, bu yerda so'roq gap berilgan va so'roq gapda to be egadan oldinga chiqishi kerak. Demak, we are emas, are we shaklida bo'lishi kerak. I do always my homework in the evenings. Men har kechqurun uyga vazifalarimni qilaman. Always payt ravishi ega va fe'lning o'rtasida bo'lishi kerak. Demak, bu yerda always fe'li, always payt ravishi I always do shakliga o'tishi kerak. We bought some new furniture yesterday. Biz kecha biroz yangi mebellar sotib oldik. Esingizda bo'lsa, furniture sanalmaydigan ot edi. Shuning uchun uni ko'plikda qo'llash mumkin emas. Some new furniture-ni o'zi bo'lishi kerak. Simon has already go to work. Simon allaqachon ishga borgan. Has bilan fe'lning 3-shakli qo'llanilishi kerak. Demak, bu yerdagi go ni o'rniga gone qo'llanilishi kerak. You will to pass your exams. Siz imtihonlaringizdan o'tasiz. Will'dan keyingi fe'l infinitiv shaklda qo'llanilishi kerak, ya'ni asos shaklda. Demak, bu yerda to ortiqcha. Philip hasn't got many free time today. Philipni bugun ko'p bo'sh vaqti yo'q. Vaqt sanalmaydi, shuning uchun many ni o'rniga much qo'llanilishi kerak. I just have finished my breakfast. Men hozirgina nonushtamni yakunladim. Demak, just ko'makchi va mustaqil fe'lning o'rtasida qo'llanilishi kerak. Shuni nazarda tutadigan bo'lsak, I have just finished bo'lishi kerak. We have eaten chicken for dinner last night. Biz o'tgan kecha kechki ovqatga jo'ja yedik. Bu yerda last night payt ravishi turibdi, demak present perfect emas, o'tgan zamonda qo'llanilishi kerak va we ate tarzida tuzilishi kerak. Tom usually is late for work. Tom odatda ishga kechikadi. Bu yerdagi usually payt ravishi ko'makchi va mustaqil fe'lning o'rtasida qo'llanilib, Tom is usually bo'lishi kerak. Keyingisi, there are not much people in this office. Bu ofisda ko'p odamlar yo'q. Bu yerdagi much noto'g'ri, chunki odamlar sanaladi va uning oldidan many qo'llanilishi kerak.